Assalamu alaikum guys. From tomorrow, Ramadan is starting. This is the school in Canada and I'm gonna show you how they welcome Ramadan. This is the entrance of the school.
Pretty, isn't it? So pretty. I've never seen them do it before. It's very nice.
And this is the office. Children are preparing signs and slogans, and mostly Canadian children are participating.
Thank you.
I believe they don't celebrate the Ramadan, but the way they are decorating the signs, that is remarkable.
They look nice.
They are decorating the walls for their Muslim friends. That's very nice. That's what I like in Canada. We respect each other and we respect each other's religions.
But it's fine. It looks good.
So guys, happy Ramadan. Ramadan as-Saeed. Ramadan Mubarak.